Ricky Rowe.
Yeah, you know I go already.
Good to see you again, Joe.
Thank you.
Ricky, for BULLA and Apati.
Yes.
Where did you get that title from?
You know what? Like a little bird just carry come and just put in my ears and I just say, you know what? Call it for BULLA and Apati. It's a good script which I thought that, you know what? Everybody need to share it with me. You know, I need to share it with the rest of my fans and the people who continue to just support me. You know, it's just something we just know say the mother love. I'm never wrong. You know, I'm never wrong because it just spot on and them just love it.
The script, Ricky, how long did it take you to write?
3 years. Yeah, 3 years. Because I write it and then I put it down. And then I take it up again. And I write a little bit more and I put it down. You know, until I finally say, you know what? This needs to finish. I need to finish because I think now is the time for it. Now is the time for me to show the rest of the world what me can do. So that's why I really have to finish it as well. You know?
How did you build the characters?
You know what? Most of the characters are actually real people. People which I took from my personal life just growing up. You know? Marshall Joe is a man who's just always funny. Always funny, always a good joke, just always, you know. Bruno is actually my uncle. So the character Bruno who I play is my uncle. And I see him stay mischievous and love make nice and just anything will happen, you know. And the story is actually set in my own district, which is Belcastle. You know, Belcastle is like set on the top of a hill, and then going down the hill is flat grass, and down there is where all the excitement happens. So the play is actually set in a real place with real people. You know, just a couple of fictitious characters are brought in just to add a little bit more spice to it, but it's actually something out of my life story.
And the actors that actually are quite well known.
Yes.
So you're very fortunate.
Yeah. That we couldn't complain about. We couldn't complain because we have Charles Tomlin. Meeting Charles Tomlin is one of the best actors as senior actors right now. I think he's one of the best. Laverne Archer, you know, you can't say nothing about Laverne. Laverne hold her own, you know. She's always there and she always makes certain that, you know what, I get a good show. You know, Olive, I think Olive is very good. You know, and if we never have them, then the show will be good. Because the show, what is a show without good actors to bring forth, you know, good characters. You know, so that's how I see it. I think I had a great lineup. I couldn't have asked for more.
Yeah. In the play, you actually want to be a musician.
Yes.
But secretly, you are a musician. So tell me more on that side.
Well, I love music. And growing up, I guess most people always thought I was going to be a musician. Because nowadays, if you go back to Portland, I ask anybody, them call me Papa, them say, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of Papa? Nice. nice. Anyway, I start to hear me, the first thing you hear is nice. You know, and then the next thing you see me I come. So music was always, I think, you know, a part of me. I always think that I would have become a musician if when they go in for the audition for the Jamaican show rapping, if the man never tell me, say, boy, I couldn't sing.
He told you couldn't sing?
Yeah, man, they tell me I couldn't sing. So then I say, oh yeah, so we can't sing.
Well, let's blow him away because that's not so.
Of course not, because the voice now has improved. You know, the confidence is getting bigger, you know, so the voice is there now. You know, and we can sing, you know, and I've recorded, I think I've recorded now 4 tracks. Come to think of it, you know, I'm going to start looking towards the album now.
Give me that taste of that one that you sing in the show that the audience just goes mad for.
Okay. That's a cover version.
That's right.
That one is there's your picture hanging on the wall, But then my heart cries out to know that you were gone. But then he got to be there, still hanging. It's hanging on my heart. I know that some people would say I'm a fool. How could I say goodbye to you? But believe me, your picture's still hanging on my heart.
It's wonderful, Ricky. And, you know, the audience, as you know,
no man,
you blow them away when you come with that one.
Yeah, when they hear the voice real up, they say, ah! And it's always a pleasure to me, you know, because I'm there for please the audience. You know, if I never there for do that, then I wouldn't dare like it, because I love it, I love it, I love it.
So what's next for this particular production? Because this is actually the second time round.
Yes.
So it was, you know, well received the first time.
So, you know, we have to bring it back again, and I'm actually looking at some US stores. Yes, as we speak. I've been contacted by a promoter in New York, and he has expressed a great desire in taking it to New York. Doing a couple shows in New York, Florida, you know, Miami. So I keep my finger crossed, you know, depending on how it goes. New York, if you not watch, you might see me over there too.
And as Alicia Keys sings, isn't it?
I you know, I'm going to go over there go sing that song there, you know. New York! So, who knows? You know, we're not finished with England yet either, so. That's right. The sky is the limit.
So for England, where does it go next?
Birmingham. Right. From Birmingham, Nottingham. From Nottingham, then we'll move on to Leeds, and as much of the countryside as we can do. As much of it as we can do. You know, and wherever the people them will receive it. You know, if they will receive it, then we have no problem. You know, we will go. We will go wherever they want us, we will go. Because it's a wonderful show. And not because of me write it, but we couldn't say it no more. Me write it. You know, but I think it's something that people want to see. I think right now people just need to just laugh. You know, people need to sit and watch this if they want. You know?
So from theatre to film?
Theatre, film, you know, we're working on a film project. It's called Legalize It, which is a film I'm doing. Set in Britain. Different stuff, you know, so we just work on different things, you know, just to make things happen. Because, you know, we set up a production company called Yardy Boy Entertainment, ENT, you know, so that's how we are spring everything from, because we are dealing with production right through, you know, so sky's the limit as we see. Anything is possible. Anything at all is possible. You know, just look for just take it from strength to strength. You know, as long as the Father give health and breath in the body, we will go.
And just finally, do you miss home?
Wow, you shouldn't even bring up the question, because right now I feel like me that go home. But I have work for it. I have work to do, and that's how I look at it. I look at it as, you know what? If work is to be done, then work has to do. You know, home will come. Because when home comes, then that means a rest. We're going to rest for a little while. You know, we can greet mommy and greet auntie and uncle and cousin and grandmother, everybody. But for now, I work. But I miss yard like crazy miss yard.
What message would you give to young people who are looking to be actors?
Well, I don't look to actors. Acting work hard, I'm telling you the truth. Acting work hard, you know. It's not, I know something where you can say, boy, are the smoothest running job or career choice to make. But if it's something that you want, believe in yourself. You know, believe in what you want. And I mean, nobody tell you, say, boy, you want me can't happen. As me know say it can happen. You just have to just believe and just put some work in it. And I that and believe strongly in that. You know, so anybody who want to do them thing, if you whether it be acting, singing, running, cause you saying boy to run fast. So it don't matter, whatever it is that you know that and you feel in yourself that you can do it. Just do it, just believe in yourself. You know, and just work hard for it, cause You know, with hard work comes success. You know, so and just believe.
And we believe in you. Ricky Rowe, thank you.
Give thanks to you. And to each and every person that has supported, you know, who has watched, bought, you know, a DVD, who has sent me a message over Facebook or any form of contact whatsoever. I just want to say give thanks to the support and keep it locked, because more things they have to do, see with. And not finish, we have finished, we just a start. So give thanks, you know? Guidance.